This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, April 21st, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have pretty much a wavy zonal flow over the country. We have a piece of energy moving through the area. You can see it just off to our east. This will be taking the storm system off to our east later today. We could see some morning into the early afternoon showers and storms in our eastern half of the counties, while the west starts to clear with highs in the 60s to lower to middle 70s from northwest to south and east. Tuesday will be a pretty sunny day. Highs will be a bit cooler, upper 50s through the 60s to near 70 across the state, with sunshine around. But then we'll see an increase in clouds here very late Tuesday night into Wednesday as the storm system approaches from the west. We could see 2 rounds of storms, one Wednesday afternoon into early Wednesday evening, and then again late Wednesday night into Thursday with this cold front coming through. Severe weather is looking very iffy. We could see some strong storms. We could see some decent rains with highs mainly in the 60s and 70s for high temperatures. But as the storm moves off to the east, cold air starts to dump in from north again. This will drop the readings down into the upper 50s to lower to mid 60s here on Friday with a couple of clouds around. Saturday looks quite brisk with highs in the 50s to near 60. Be partly to mostly cloudy, more clouds in the north than in the south. And the next storm system is going to be approaching here as we move into Sunday, but with a lot of dry air coming down from Canada around this occluding storm over the Canadian Maritimes and Maine. This will keep a lot of the precipitation to our south and west, but it could clip our southern and southwestern counties here on Sunday. And even into next Monday, you can see there's this energy just to our south and west, the big upper level feature in the Canadian Maritimes, a ridge starting to pump itself up over the west. And with that, we'll still have the storm system to our south. It may just clip our far southern tier of counties with a little bit of rain. The heaviest rain looks to be over the mid-south through the Gulf Coast, where some showers and thunderstorms are possible at that time. As we go into the extended period here on May 2nd, we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country with some energy moving through Ontario, another piece of energy off the Carolina and Virginia coast. With this would bring a frontal system down that could bring us some showers and thunderstorms with readings near seasonal levels in the 60s and 70s for highs if this is to be right. A little bit of rainfall along the eastern seaboard and just to our west as well. The end of the forecast, May 6th, we have an upper level feature over the northeastern Canadian Maritimes, another one just off the California coast, a bit of a ridge trying to build over the plain states. A little bit of a northwesterly flow means temperatures may be a skosh cooler, but we'll have a storm system coming in with some showers and thunderstorms at that time, with readings looking to be near seasonal levels, maybe a few degrees cooler than that. Satellite image from last evening, we had one storm moving through the area with some showers and thunderstorms along it. Some rains have been quite significant in the northern counties of the state, system moving off the east coast and another coming into the northwest. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some frost advisories in and around Philadelphia, Wilmington, Delaware, up toward the downstate New Jersey. Some wind advisories in Utah, elsewhere fairly quiet. The KPF chart, it doesn't look very quiet. This is rainfall through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts maybe upwards of 1 inch to 1.5 inches across the state. Some of this fell last night, so we could see heavier totals than what is seen here.